If your toilet's fill valve is acting up, it can seriously mess with your bathroom routine and hike your water bill without you even noticing. So here's the deal. First, try replacing the fill valve if it's old or damaged, because that's the most straightforward fix. If you're not ready to swap it out, cleaning the valve parts can clear out any gunk or mineral buildup that's causing problems. Adjust the float arm to make sure the water stops filling at the right level. Too high or too low can cause constant running or weak flushing. Check your water supply pressure, because if it's too low, the valve won't fill the tank properly, and if it's too high, it might wear out parts faster. Don't forget to lubricate any moving parts to keep everything running smooth without squeaks or sticking. When you do these things, you can avoid annoying noises and leaks that waste water and money. Keep an eye on how long your toilet takes to fill after flushing. That's a good clue if something's off. If all else fails, getting a professional to look at it might save you time and headaches down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fill valve issues is ignoring slow leaks, which can waste hundreds of gallons of water a month. Fixing this means checking for worn-out washers or seals and replacing them right away. Another common problem is not adjusting the float arm properly, which causes the tank to overfill and overflow into the bowl. Just bend the arm gently or tweak the adjustment screw to fix that. The third is skipping regular maintenance like cleaning and lubricating, leading to buildup and sticky parts that cause noisy or inefficient filling. A quick monthly wipe down and lubrication with a silicone-based product keeps things working like new. BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to spot for hooking up with reliable local contractors who know their stuff and won't ghost you mid-project. For contractors, it's a solid way to get steady work by connecting with homeowners who actually need their skills, making the whole process way less stressful for everyone.